Today we're going to be changing the gasket on our thermostat housing because we have a little bit of a coolant leak, and we can see that it's coming from right around here where the thermostat is. It's coming around here. So we're just going to change the gasket and see if that helps us with our coolant leak on our 2009 Ford Mustang. We purchased our part at AutoZone. It was number 35617. If you need this gasket, that's where to get it. First thing you want to do is loosen this up right here, which I've done previously, and loosen this up right here with a flathead screwdriver. Take this clip out right here. I'm going to leave this clip in. I don't need to take it out. And I'm going to take this clip off over here because this entire thing is going to come off. So, take that one out. Okay, so now I'm just going to slide this out. Slide this off. I'm just going to put it right there. I don't need to take anything else out. Now, what we're going to do is we have to get this off to get down to our gasket down here, our housing. So we're going to take our 8mm ratchet and socket and extension and see if we can't get this bad boy off. And there's 4 bolts, one on each side. So one down here. And one over here. I just don't want to get my belts wet because then they'll squeak. I want to take this off. I'm just going to get my pliers. Pinch that. Move it back. Okay, you don't take it off. Don't take it off. Just slide it back. There we go. All right. So just put that down like that. So what we're going to try to do now is use ratchet and socket 10mm and take these 3 off, and our gasket will be underneath there. Got that one. I'm just going to hold it down here while I take it out. Underneath here is your thermostat, and there's a gasket that goes around it. We're going to replace the gasket. Okay. All right, here we go. Okay. So here's your thermostat. We didn't get any codes for the thermostat, but you can see where our gasket right here is separating. So that's pretty much why we're, let's pop this out. Okay. Gasket, we're just gonna put it around there. Put this back in like this. Okay, and the gasket fits right in. Like that. Just kind of twist it on. Don't over tighten. Let's put this back on. Just wiggle it like that. There we go. Right there. Let's put the bottom on first. Top. Okay, just tighten those up. All right, this clip has to come out to about there, and then you can put it in. All right, push that back in. Push that down. That clip there. That's how you change the gasket on your thermostat housing. If you need to, you can also change the thermostat while you're in there. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.